Welcome back. As Ramadan is about to start, cooking wholesome foods takes center stage. And why not? Because food is a symbol of togetherness. And nothing brings families together than a delicious home-cooked meal. And to make this possible, today we are preparing a special dish with Novazia basmati rice from Dulari Foods that you will absolutely love to try. So come, let's learn. Ramadan Kareem, everyone. We are so delighted to be back again with yet another Ramadan special on Zee Connect. As we embrace this blessed month of gratitude, reflection and togetherness, food becomes a beautiful way to connect around the table with family and loved ones. So let's get on with it. What are we preparing today, Chef?
Hi Priya. Hello everyone. Ramadan Kareem. Today we are going to prepare shawarma loaded rice.
Wow.
It's filling, flavorful, super healthy and easy to prepare. And to make that, we are going to use Dulari Foods Novazia basmati rice. Let's check out the ingredients. We have olive oil, garlic paste, tahini, whole spices, chicken breast cut, red onions, lemon, red peppers, fresh cucumber, baby radish, black pepper, salt. For the spices, we have chicken stock powder, turmeric, sumac powder, we have got shawarma spice, we have got paprika, and then we have cumin powder.
Perfect.
So let's take the rice.
Okay, here you go.
So we take about 1 cup. Look at those grains. They are long and slender even before cooking.
It's true.
So now what we are going to do is we are going to wash this rice.
Okay.
And then we are going to soak it for 15 to 20 minutes. And then we're going to start cooking it.
Perfect.
So now our next step is to marinate the chicken with shawarma and other spices.
Nice.
Pass me the bowl, please.
Here you go.
Perfect. So I've got chicken breast cut into morsels, bite size.
Okay.
It's easy to prepare, easy to cook and easy to eat as well. This is around 200 grams of chicken breast. So little bit of olive oil, garlic paste, just 1 teaspoon. We are going to take some lemon, half a lemon. Then we're going to start with our spices. We'll start with cumin powder. Then we have paprika. And my favorite, chicken shawarma masala, the spice powder. For the seasoning, some salt, just a pinch. And of course, some black pepper. Just a pinch as well. I'm going to mix it all together. So our chicken marination is done. We'll keep it sit for another 1 hour. And then we're going to start with our garlic tahini sauce.
Oh, wow.
Which is just mix of ingredients blending in a bowl and super easy.
I love tahini.
So let's do it. Just a half tablespoon of garlic paste.
So tahini is actually sesame
Yes, roasted sesame paste.
Yeah.
So generous amount. We have around 3 tablespoons of tahini. Lemon juice, a quarter of that. Just a pinch of salt. And let's blend it in. So our garlic tahini sauce is ready. Now it's just not about chicken and rice. This dish is about having so many layers of textures and flavor. We are going to do different toppings as well. But before that, let's start cooking the rice. So I've got a pan ready. Olive oil into the pan. Olive oil, then we have got some whole spices.
Okay.
Now this whole spices is my personal favorite. But if you want to skip it, you can completely skip it.
Okay.
Just going to saute a bit. I'm going to start with chicken stock powder. If we have a chicken stock ready, you can use that.
Okay.
But I'm going to use a powder here.
Nice.
And of course, a bit of turmeric,
Okay.
and I'm just going to mix them. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook the spices first and then I'm going to add the rice. This is a very different version of rice we are doing. Now I'm going to add rice as it is
Okay.
to the pan.
So you didn't boil the rice first,
No.
you're straight away adding it.
Yes. So this is done. Now I'm going to add hot water to the pan. It saves time. So about 2 cups, so 1 cup rice, 2 cups of water. That is the ratio we are looking at it. For shawarma loaded rice, we need rice that stays fluffy, separate and absorbs flavor well.
And Nawazia basmati rice does exactly that.
Yes, and the best part is it's traditionally aged, so it absorbs more flavor to it.
Okay, so that makes it ideal not just for traditional but also for modern fusion dishes like this.
Absolutely, Priya. One product, many possibilities. I mean, we can start from global cuisines, from Indian to Middle Eastern and so on.
Wonderful.
So while the rice is getting cooked, let's move on to other toppings.
Okay.
Baby radish. I love the color. They are super cute. I'm gonna grab a few. They are going to be part of a salsa, so they are going to be super crunchy.
Okay.
The color plays a very important role here. I'm gonna thinly slice them. So baby radish is done. We're gonna grab a cucumber and we are going to thinly slice them. Cucumber is done. Now we're gonna use red peppers. They are not that hot, but they had a very subtle flavor, which is also good. And also we are missing the red color, so why not this?
Yes.
Salt, black pepper, and that's it.
That's a great bowl of a side dish and a salad.
Yes. So this is going to be one of our toppings that will go into shawarma loaded rice.
Oh, okay.
So it's just not rice and chicken. We are going to do a couple of things together.
Nice.
So now our next step is sumac onions.
Yeah.
Just 2 ingredients and it's ready. Let's check on the rice. I think they are almost done. So red onion.
Sumac powder.
Sumac powder. 1.5 teaspoon. And we are just going to mix it. Perfect. Now we are going to cook our chicken. The shawarma chicken comes back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it to the skewing stick. So we are going to cook our shawarma chicken. It's a generous amount of olive oil. You can replace it with butter as well. It's completely fine. Let it hot.
So what's next?
So a pan is hot. We are going to cook our chicken.
Chicken. I love that sizzling sound.
Yes. Beautiful morsels of chicken shawarma. Super easy to cook as well.
Super fast.
And I love the fragrance. I'm already drooling, to be very honest.
Me too. Chicken is ready.
Take our bowl. We start our plating. Let's bring our signature ingredient, which is the Nawazia basmati rice. It looks beautiful, isn't it, Priya?
Yeah.
So there we have our rice, shawarma chicken. There we have. Now let's start with our toppings.
Should we do this first?
Yes. Then we have sumac onions. And our last thing is garlic tahini.
Amazing. This is such a great idea for iftar, chef. Complete meal in one bowl. And the aroma coming from the rice. Wow, it speaks so much about its quality. I can't wait to try it now.
Please.
Let's dig in. This is too good, chef.
Thank you, Priya. Much of it comes from the magic of the rice itself. It's soft yet firm. It has a nutty aromatic flavor as well. That's why I always choose Nomazia basmati rice. Its signature nutty fragrance, perfect for everyday cooking and also for special occasions.
True. Perfect for Ramadan feasts and family gatherings. Make sure you try this shawarma loaded rice at home and make your iftar extra special with Nomazia basmati rice. I'm going to be back next week with some more delicious recipes from Chef Tarun's treasure trove.